Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I've not sat in this chair and it's been over a month. I can say that it's been over a month. So this is weird. This is weird to me. So if you guys want to see this week's video, keep watching. Okay, I am back. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes in front of me. I thought it was 8 pairs. It was 7? Okay, it was 7. 7 pairs of sneakers I picked up while we have been on lockdown. To be honest with you, I shouldn't have been buying anything. I really shouldn't have, but these are sneakers that I justified by buying, but it's no big deal. It's no sweat. I'm not even going to worry about it. But I wanted to go ahead and grab some new sneakers. So when we're finally out of this, I don't know when we're going to be out of this, because from what I'm seeing, we're going to get shut down again. So at least you guys get to see them. Okay, whatever. I'm not even going to get into that. So let's get into the first sneaker. The first sneaker I'm going to talk about is a non-Nike sneaker. Yes, I do wear other sneakers other than Nike. I have the Sam Edelman Moxie sneakers in white and black with a black back in a size 8.5. I actually picked these up on Amazon. I'll have the link below for these. Reason why I grabbed this sneaker. I grabbed this sneaker because for my birthday last year, I wanted to buy the Alexander McQueen sneakers, that the famous sneaker that everyone knows. I wanted to get that sneaker, but I decided not to get the shoe yet. I was like, oh, I'll wait and get it during my graduation. But I ended up finding these are kind of a dupe for that sneaker, and that's what I really like about it. So I said, yo, let me go ahead. I'm gonna grab this sneaker. It's really a nice shoe. It's very comfortable on the foot. As you guys can, well, I'll have, you know, all this, as you all see the B-roll and everything. I love the shoe. It's great. And I love wearing it. It actually goes with everything. It goes with dresses. It actually goes with suits. I think that was the main reason why I bought it, was to go with a suit. The next sneaker that I picked up was the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple in a men's 7.5, women's 9. I picked that up on the sneaker app some time ago. These are actually sold out now. The only way you can get them is from like StockX and GOAT, all of the resale sneaker apps and things. These shoes are so cool. I love them to death. I have not worn them yet. A lot of my shoes I've only been wearing like when I'm going to and from the office for like that one day a week. I go in for like an hour, and I haven't worn them yet because I've just realized I have nothing purple, but that's okay. I still love them. They are a very cool shoe. I love Jordan 1s, as you all know, and these shoes are really cool. I love that purple. It's a color I don't widely have in my wardrobe, so this is a great shoe to have. And it's a good color. It actually makes me buy more purple. The next shoe that I have is the Air Jordan 13 Flint Gray. I grabbed these also from the sneaker app. These are also sold out, I believe. These shoes, funny story. Years ago in the 90s, I used to work at Champs Sports, and I remember when these shoes debuted in the 90s. So this shoe actually was kind of nostalgic for me. So when I saw that they were bringing them back out, I was like, I have to get a pair, because back then I could not afford to get a pair of Jordans back then, because I was only working at Champs part-time. So it was just really cool to be able to get the shoe that I saw the first time back in, I think it was like 96, 97-ish, around that time, 98. It was all around that time. So it was great to see that shoe. This shoe is comfortable. I actually wore this shoe today, the day of filming this video. And the shoe, like I said, is really, really comfortable. And I can't say anything bad about it. So if you're able to get a hold of this shoe and not pay a crazy price, get a hold of this shoe. It's very comfortable. Next shoe I picked up was the Jordan 1 Multicolor. This is a women's 9. This was only a women's release. This was a women's release only. The shoe is called the Multicolor, and I've seen it shown on some websites as called the light bulb. I don't know why they call it the light bulb, but I do understand why it's being called the Multicolor. It is a great shoe. Actually have worn this shoe to work. And it's funny, the CEO of my company actually saw my shoes, and he was pretty much bowled over by them and thought they were really cool. And, asked me about them and asked me like, are they really comfortable? I'm like, yeah, but I will say the first time I wore them was to the grocery store, and I should have had ankle socks on. Yep. Always wear ankle socks with high tops, or they're going to scratch the back of your legs. So, but these shoes are actually comfortable. After that first time I wore them, I ended up breaking them in really good. And now these shoes are incredibly comfortable, and they are a great shoe to walk around in. And the next shoe you guys are seeing is the Jordan 1 Mid Triple White. Like I said, these are in women. I believe, yeah, this was in women's size 9, of course. And I have not worn these also. Like I said, I'm slowly getting through my shoes. These shoes, I love them to death. I have a thing for a white sneaker, as you guys saw from the Sam Edelman sneaker. Also, I love crispy white sneakers all the way around, from like Sam Edelman, Jordans, the Air Force Ones. A crispy white sneaker elevates an outfit. You can, like I said, you can dress it up, you could dress it down. You can wear it with a sweatsuit, in the wintertime, and then like in the summertime, you can put on a cute sundress and a pair of Jordans and a pair of crispy white Jordans or crispy white sneaker, and it looks really cute. Also, if you look really closely at the shoe, it's like a snake, or it's like a snake skin or a reptile skin. It's so cool. I love this shoe, and I cannot wait to style it. And the next shoe is the Jordan 1 Retro High NC to Chicago leather high top. This is in the women's size 9, of course, like I've been saying. This is in black, dark powder blue, and gem red. This shoe is a really cool shoe. I've worn it several times out like to the grocery store and run a few errands that I do get out and do. This shoe is a really cool shoe. It's more of a casual shoe. You could dress it up, but I think it's more so a casual shoe, like with a pair of shorts and like a cool t-shirt. Or if you were to do like a wide leg pant, you would see just the red and the black on the top of the shoe and thinking, oh, okay, it's just a regular J. But then when you pull up the pant and you see that blue swoosh and that blue back, and it's like, whoa, this is cool. It's something different. And you have the blue and the red and the black, all of those together. And it's a really cool shoe to just it's a casual shoe that you could just kind of chill in. And the last shoe you guys are going to see is a custom shoe that I had created from Nike. If you guys saw this picture on my Instagram, all you saw was just the tag, which was really cool. Because I remember when I opened the box and I saw that, I was like, oh, wow, this is so cool. That it, says Nike by Stacey. It's like, whoa, you feel like you've arrived or something. So a friend of mine, he was like, what's the shoe? I said, you have to wait till the video. So you had to get through all those Jordans to get through my custom shoe. This is the Nike Air Zoom Maku by You sneaker. I got it in the gray with cream colorway. The reason why I went with this colorway was because I don't have a gray sneaker, and I wanted something that was different. As you all know, I'm not a cookie cutter person. I like different things. I like my handbags to be different. I like my shoes not to be the same, with the exception of my Jordans. But this shoe is something I've never seen before. I just happened to be browsing Nike's site, and I found the shoe, and I had to buy it. This is in a men's 7.5, women's 9, so it's a unisex shoe. I did the custom without laces. I wanted to do laces originally, but then I'm kind of glad I didn't do laces because it's actually easier. It's just a slip-on shoe. I really like the shoe. I've actually worn them. They are very comfortable. I really like the shoe. I could, even if I couldn't wear it, I really wouldn't let it go. I would have to just display it because it's a really fun looking shoe. And I love how the sole has a stack, kind of like the Sakai's. And Nike has come out with other Zoom sneakers that have that stacked sole, so it's really cool to look at. This is a shoe that I would just wear with anything, really. I don't see myself wearing it with, certain things. I would just throw it on just to throw it on. Also, I think this is more like going to be my late summer spring shoe once it gets a little cooler, because it is a bit of it's a fabric, so it's a little bit thick, so you can breathe in the shoe and stuff like that. But this shoe is so cool. I'm so glad I got them. Now I want to do more customs. And that is all the shoes that I picked up since March. So I love every shoe that I picked up. I'm glad I have them all. You guys, let me know in the comments, which shoe did you guys like? Which shoe would you guys want to see me style? Especially, let me know what you guys think, and I will possibly cook up something for y'all really, really soon with one or all of these sneakers. Let me know. That is it for this video. I'm gonna get out of here. I have a little bit of homework to do, and that's really it. And we're in the middle, and we're cleaning also, so I got some things I got to get done around here. So if you guys have any questions, talk to me below. Any questions, comments, or you guys want any information, I will put Nike sites, StockX, and Stadium Goods. Those are the sites that I look at. Well, mainly I look at Stadium Goods. I don't use StockX much anymore because I heard they got hacked a while back. So I don't know if they've gotten all that solved. And I think I closed my account. I can't remember. But I will leave links for everything for you guys below. As much as I can get you. Like I said, a lot of these are sold out. Some I actually picked up at Nordstrom. So I forgot to tell you that. 2 of the sneakers I did get at Nordstrom. And I will put their links in the description also. And if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Did I do that right? Like and subscribe. I think that's right. I can't remember. Liking and subscribing are free. And actually, it will help a lot to show YouTube that you guys are watching. Don't forget to comment below so YouTube does know, hey, we do watch her. Just because she been gone for a minute don't mean we forgot about her. Okay, so don't forget. I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, I got stuff to do. So I will talk to you all later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.